Good morning children. Today we have to see about carbon and its compound lesson. What is the meaning of hydrocarbon? An organic compounds that are composed of only carbon and hydrogen elements, that is called for hydrocarbon. There are three different classes of hydrocarbons are there. First one alkane, alkene, third one alkyne. So each type of classes of hydrocarbons can combine together. So many types of elements are there. The first one methane, ethane, propane, butane and benzene. The namings are given there. It responsible for the number of carbon element present here. There are only one number of carbon element present here in the compound, hydrocarbon compound, the name for methane. There are two carbon atoms are present here, the name it is called for ethane. There are three carbon atoms are present here, that is called for propane. Four carbon atoms are present, that is called for butane. Five carbon atoms are present, that is called for benzene. That is for alkane compounds. It is a single compound. In between carbon and carbon bonding is single, that is for saturated carbon. The next one alkene compound. Alkene compound, it is a double bond compound. It is a unsaturated carbon. The first one ethene, propene, butene and benzene is a number of hydrocarbons. Ethene, the number of carbon atom 2 present here, that is called for ethane, already studied there. So C2H4 is a ethene molecular formula. Propene, 3 carbon atom are present and 6 hydrogen atoms are present here. Butane, 4 carbon atoms are present here, that is called for butane. Benzene is 5 carbon atoms are present here. The another type is alkyne. Alkyne compounds having 3 triple bond compounds, that is called for unsaturated carbon. The number of hydrocarbon compounds are ethane, propane, butane and benzene. Ethane already have 2 carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbon elements, that is called for ethane. Ethane is a alkane compounds. Now instead of alkyne, that is called for ethane, and 3 carbon atoms are present here, that is called for propane. 4 carbon atoms are present, that is called for butane, and 5 carbon atoms are present, that is called for benzene. There are triple bond compounds. Okay. The next one, what are the functional groups are there in the hydrocarbon compounds? The first one alcohol. Alcohol is a functional group of hydrocarbon compounds, and aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. The first one alcohol. So C2H5OH is a molecular formula for ethanol. The C2H5, instead of rewriting CH3 CH2OH. Okay. Number of carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbon element is 2. The 1 and 2. There are 2 carbon atoms are present here. So already I told that there are 2 carbon atoms are present here. That type of hydrocarbon is called for ethane. So it is a functional group of alcohol. It is a joined to the ethane group, that is named is modified as ethanol. So that is for molecular formula CH3 CH2OH. The next one aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group is CHO. The first one methane compound is CH4. CH3 is a methyl compound. The aldehyde compound is joined to the methyl compound. The name is aldehyde, acetaldehyde. CH3 CHO, that is called for acetaldehyde. Then ethane, there are 2 carbon atoms are present here, that is called for ethane. So the aldehyde compound is joined to the ethane compound, that is called for propanaldehyde. Now instead of, that is called for 3 carbon atoms are present here, so it is known as propanaldehyde. Now instead of 2 carbon, only 2 types of carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbon compound, it is called for ethanaldehyde. Okay. The next one, how many carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbon compounds? Come on, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbon element, that is called for butane. So the aldehyde compound is joined to the butane hydrocarbon compound. The name it is called for butanaldehyde. Okay. So next one, ketone functional group. The ketone functional group is C double bond O. CO is a ketone functional group. The first one, CH3, CO, CH3. There are 3 carbon atoms are present here. Now itself 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 carbon atoms are present in the particular hydrocarbon elements, that is called for propanone. So propane, there are 3 carbon atoms are present here, that name it is hydrocarbon is propane. 2 carbon are present here, it is called for ethane. Only 1 carbon atom are present in the element, that is called for methane. So in now itself 3 carbon atom are present in the particular hydrocarbon compound, that is called for propane. So the propane compound now it's joined to the ketone compound CO. So in between 2 methyl compound the places for instead of CO. CO is a ketone compound. So there are 3 carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbon compound. The name it is propanone. Okay. So next one, 4 carbon atoms are present here. CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. So now you have to calculate for how many carbon elements in the particular hydrocarbon compounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 carbon atoms are present in the particular hydrocarbon elements. The name it is called for butane. Now ketone functional group is joined to the butane, that is called for butanone. Okay. The ketone group is only in between the place for first methyl group. Okay. So next one, how much amount of carbon atoms are there? How many carbon atoms are there in the particular hydrocarbon compounds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 carbon atoms are present here. So already studied that 5 carbon atoms are present in the particular hydrocarbon compounds, that is called for bendane. So now bendane hydrocarbon compound is joined to the ketone functional group, that is called for bendanone. Okay. Next functional group is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid functional group is COOH. Okay. So COOH அப்படிங்கிற functional group இருந்ததுன்னா அதோட name என்ன? Carboxylic acid. The first one, methane. CH4 is a methane, CH3 is a methyl. One hydrogen atom is removed from methane element, that is called for methyl compound. Okay. So next one, carboxylic acid. Then carboxylic acid, இப்போ carboxylic acidல வந்து COOH அப்படிங்கிறது functional group. ஓகேவா? In CH2, CH3 methyl element now in replaces for கார்பன் ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆட்டம் ஒன்லி. இப்போ CH2 அப்படிங்கிற இதில் இருக்கிற அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப் இருக்கு இல்லையா, CH3ல CH2ங்கிற ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப் என்ன ஆயிடுது? ரிமூவ் ஆயிடுது. ஸோ ரிமைனிங் வந்து ஹைட்ரஜன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப் மட்டும் இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ஹைட்ரஜன் அப்படிங்கிற ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப்போட கார்பாக்சிலிக் ஆசிட் வந்து ஜாயிண்டட் ஆக போகுது. ஓகேவா? லிசன், HCOOH தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஃபார் மீத்தேன். மெத்தில் தொகுதியிலிருந்து ஒரு CH2 போனதுனால ஹைட்ரஜன் இருக்கிறதுனால அதோட இந்த கார்பாக்சிலிக் ஆசிட் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆனதுனால த நேம் ஃபார் மெத்தனாயிக் acid. Next one, CH3. So how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. So the 2 carbon atoms are present here. The name it is called for ethane. So the ethane compound is joined to the carboxylic acid. The name it is called for ethanoic acid. So now calculate for carbon atoms 1. There are only 1 carbon atom, that is called for methanoic acid. So in this hydrocarbon compound 2 carbon atoms are there. So it is called for ethanoic acid. So listen students, once again I will teach you. There are 4 types of functional groups are there. First one, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Alcohol functional group is OH, aldehyde functional group is CHO, ketone functional group is CO, carboxylic acid functional group is COOH. Okay, the naming for hydrocarbon compound naming in they are responsible for only how many carbon atoms are presented in the hydrocarbon compound. Okay, then it is called for methane. There are 1 carbon atom are present here, that is called for methane. 2 carbon atom present here, ethane. 3 carbon atom are present here, that is called for propane. 4 carbon atoms are present here, that is called for butane. 5 carbon atoms are present in the particular compound, that is called for benzene. The next one, listen. So the next one, now I will teach you structural formula, how to draw a structural formula for hydrocarbon compounds. The first one, I will write that methanol. So CH3 is a methyl compound, OH is a alcohol functional group. So CH3OH, that is named for methanol. This is for molecular formula for methanol. Now I will write the structural formula. How to write the structural formula? CH3 compound. So methyl compound வந்து CH3. So CH3 அதில் வந்து C, then upper and downwards hydrogen atoms are present here. Then before first initially the hydrogen atoms are present here. There are 3 hydrogen atoms or write that type. Okay, so next one, alcohol compound. So the alcohol compound is lastly identified as OH. So this is the structural formula for methanol. The next one, ethanol. So butanol. So how many carbon atoms are there in the particular element? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon atoms are present here, that is named for butane. The alcohol compounds are here, that is called for butanol. So now I will draw the butanol structural formula. How to draw a butanol structural formula? First one, CH3. The CH3 is instead of the writing that type, okay, CHHH. So 3H are present in the bonding of carbon atom. Then again CH2, the next CH2 and next CH2. The line denoted that bonding between carbon and carbon atom. Okay, the lastly identified as alcohol compound, that is called for butanol. That is for butanol structural formula. The next one, carboxylic acid. The one of the carboxylic acid element is type of ethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid molecular formula CH3COOH. So already I told you COOH functional compound are present here, that is named for carboxylic acid. So now I will draw the structural formula for ethanoic acid is CH3 C double bond OH, that is called for ethanoic acid structural formula. Next one, benzenoic acid. So benzene. So how many carbon atoms are present here? Then it is called for benzene. There are 5 carbon atoms are present in the particular hydrocarbon element, that is called for benzene. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atom present here. So the lastly identified as COOH. COOH is a carboxylic group. Okay, that is called for benzenoic acid. Now I will draw the benzenoic acid structural formula. Okay, next one of the problem I will teach you. The molecular formula is C4H10. Okay, the one of the hydrocarbon compound having molecular formula C4H10, and draw the structural formula and give its IUPAC name and it is saturated or not. The first I will denote that C4H10. Okay, listen students. Now already I told you there are 4 carbon atoms are present in the element, that is called for, what is that called for? Butane. Okay, 4 carbon atoms are present here, the hydrocarbon name is butane. Okay, so that is lastly O. So first one, structural formula, I will write it structural formula CH3 CH2 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 OH. Now calculated carbon elements is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms, and how many hydrogen atoms are present here? 10 hydrogen atom. Okay, 3 5 7 9 plus 1 10. Okay, there are 10 hydrogen elements are present here. The lastly identified as OH. OH is a functional group of alcohol. So that is called for butanol. Okay. So butanol is a saturated hydrocarbon. That is for 5 marks important problems. It is simply to write that. Okay. First one, you have to identify how many carbon atoms are present in the particular hydrocarbon. So that's why you identified as methane, or whether ethane, propane and butane, pentane. Okay. One carbon atom present.